Tropical forests are of vital importance for the planet because they shelter an extremely rich biodiversity, because they influence the climate, because they produce resources that are essential to mankind, such as wood, for example. There is tropical wood everywhere in our homes, in tables, chairs, doors, and windows, just to name a few. Buying these wood products does not harm our forests as long as we ensure that they are from a forest managed responsibly and sustainably. Sustainable means that we must satisfy our present needs without compromising the needs of future generations. To meet this objective, forestry companies are playing a decisive role. Before they begin operations, they draw up a full inventory of the forest's flora and fauna. They select mature trees, protect young trees and preserve old seed-bearing trees that allow the forest to regenerate itself. Scientists oversee the overall state of health of the forest. They take objective measures of the environmental impact of human activities. Protecting the forests also requires understanding them better. And that's not all. Companies' sustainable management of forests involves local populations in environmental protection and land planning. These companies help provide these people, which are most often located in remote regions, with access to healthcare, education, and drinking water. Yes, sustainable management is a source of development. Of course, here and elsewhere, the sale of wood products from processed trees is a source of income. Income for the company and obviously its employees, but also for the many other stakeholders, including craftsmen, transporters, and the government. Sustainable management helps keep the forest healthy and thus creates a long-term source of income and well-being. Here, above all, scrupulous compliance with strict rules helps certify the quality of tree processing and the traceability of products. These certificates are a guarantee for consumers. All in all, when you think about it, we, the consumers, are the ones who hold the key to sustainable management of tropical forests. All we have to do is buy wood products labeled sustainable. This preserves our forests and gets greater value out of what they offer. To consume responsibly is to ensure the survival of tropical forests.